Guys, welcome back to the channel. Some good news going on, especially like Bitcoin dropping below 39,000. If you haven't already, subscribe, support the channel, and stay up to date on your latest crypto news. Now, speaking of that, Bitcoin tumbled under 39,000, which actually gave a $115 million liquidation, and all of that happened in about an hour. So it's settling around 767 billion right now. That is the market cap for Bitcoin. Now, the co-founder Arthur Hayes of BitMEX was saying that maybe Bitcoin's current price could actually continue until the end of the month. Influenced by, of course, all in all, the US Treasury's quarterly refunding announcement. But at the same time, Ethereum also dropped by 6%, which dropped around 22.30. And this actually can be, well, given because of the selling pressure from the foundation and fund movements related to the entity Celsius. So Celsius actually transferred around 13,000 Ethereum. That's around 30 million bucks. Now, they did that to Coinbase and 2,200 Ethereum, $5.12 million to Falcon X, and the Ethereum Foundation sold $1.6 million of Ethereum. So the time frame is extended to 24 hours. Right here, you can see right here the liquidation heat map. Now that the traders lost around 300 million bucks, and while those actually that see those bears positions actually got around a $38 million in losses. Yeah, so pretty big. Now, traders are actually kind of going in a downturn. Now, all of them around lost around 80 million. More 60% of those guys went long. So they lost in that. So the biggest individual liquidation was $5 million. And that was a wager on Bitcoin's price increase on Bybit. Yeah, pretty strong. So the next piece. So Uniswap and Stellar investors are actually going to Calexo. And here is why. So Calexo is getting pretty popular, right? So many investors are actually buy and hold different kind of crypto, of course, or part of a diversified portfolio. So they're wanting to make everything diversified. But Uniswap and Stellar are actually very popular, and well, amongst us crypto guys and investments. So the former decentralized unit, Ethereum's blockchain, and the other is a decentralized protocol for international transactions. Now, of course, no one is surprised the fact that Uniswap and Stellar. That some of those investors have those, but holders of those actually are looking to add another one, and that is Calexo. So now Uniswap actually was growing past around $8 at the end of the year. But so there was a lot of people excited about that. But the new year would actually bring Uniswap. It would hope for it to be more. But around 3 weeks into the first part of the year, actually all of that excitement kind of fell. So now it's trading around between $5 and $7 for most of the year now. So kind of we're moving into February now. And that cost is around 6.083, so forth, and 7% worse than last week. So Uniswap lost 6% of the value today, and that was all because of 24 hours, or giving the fact that it was 24 hours ago, and it is actually starting to make people a little upset. Now, let's speak about Calexo. So Calexo is extending the principles of blockchain into actually online lending. And so it is wanting to rewrite everything about getting loans and, of course, be transparent and efficient and makes everything faster. So this is what they're wanting to do. So through the user-focused changes to a conventional loan service, so it's like, I mean, it's a loan service, but making everything transparent, right, and faster. Now, it's supposed to benefit the investors and the users. So for investors joining early, they're going to get a revenue sharing plan, and they can actually decide on some updates to the platform as well. And that's pretty much it. And it looks like the blue chip project, and kind of. So this is what's going on with Calexo and Uniswap, and of course Terra Luna Classic is voting on a crucial proposal ahead of some of the key upgrades. Now they're wanting to consider priority to enable the ICA controller parameter. The 12005, the consistency set ICA controller parameter. This is what they're voting on. So they want to enable that. So the international storage of the model is currently inconsistent due to a network glitch. So this is what's going on. So what this causes is developers, it stops them from actually exporting the State of Terra Classic into Genesis .json file. Fragoric said that, quote, "This is a problem when developers want to extract the state of the blockchain into a specialized file, the Genesis file, to spin up testnets based on the state of mainnet. So the proposal has got around 99.96 votes of yes, and some of them like no to the veto and abstain votes. So 31 validators who participated. All validators included Orion, Interstellar Lounge, Stakely, and Luna Station 88. Voted in favor of it. So, of course, the price fell around 10%. Now the market is selling off all across either way. So all of that happened around 24 hours, and plus the TFL bankruptcy event. Now it's trading about like 40902. So just to kind of give you an idea. Now the USTC price is about 0.02. And it also fell about 8% in 24 hours. So the 24 high and low are about 0.022. And that's what's going on there. So if you guys like the news, let me know in the comments below. Let me know your opinions about Luna, and especially Do Kwon. What do you think about him going into bankruptcy? So let me know. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys again next time.